Hey y'all, it's your girl Ashley back at it again, and I wanted to show you guys this diamond paint that I'm actually currently working on right now. It is a beauty, let me tell you. This by far is technically the second biggest diamond paint that I've done. This one is a 45 by 75, and I believe it's like a mosaic glass, broken glass piece type of diamond painting. I believe that's what they call it. I'm gonna have to ask my mama to reiterate it, what it was called. But we did get this one off Temu. It was about $16, I believe. But I really honestly enjoy doing the bigger diamond paints. I'm actually kind of getting bored with the smaller diamond paints. So what I decided to do was, well, my mom had found it for me, and she was like, you've been like having your diamond painting kind of dangle, over the table. I wonder if there was something that could hold it. So, because we've been looking up diamond painting tools and, more diamond painting stuff, it's very good for the mental. We found this contraption, and I was like, that might actually work, because a lot of my diamond paintings that are bigger, they tend to hang over at the table. So as you can see here, I'm attempting to attach it to my table now. Because this is like an over the bed type table, it didn't actually work. My table is actually too thin. It's actually like basically, I believe, 1 inch thick. And when I actually switched it to the table in the front room, which there was like a kind of like a, I wouldn't say like a picnic table, but the white type tables that you can set up for like parties or whatever case it be. It actually worked for that. I believe that table is 2 inches or more thicker, and it actually holds perfectly, as you'll see right here.